How to change playoff settings in ESPN Fantasy Football. Let's get started. First, log into your ESPN Fantasy Football account. Once you are in, go to top right corner and click on your league name. After that, you land on your league homepage. Now click on the Settings tab. Scroll down the page until you find Playoff Bracket Setup. Once you see it, click on the Edit button. Here, you'll be able to adjust the number of teams that make the playoffs. For example, if it's set to 4 teams, you can increase it up to 5 or 6 depending on your league size. Before making changes, it's a good idea to communicate with your league members and make sure everyone is on board with the updated format. And that's it, you have successfully edited the playoff settings for your ESPN Fantasy Football League. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.